Hi! In front of me is a OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, open Tab menu. Now you need to look for one-handed icon. If you can find it, you need to click on this icon with a paper and pen, I guess, at the top right corner. Find it over here, drag it to the top, letting go and going back. Now you need to click on it. And as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of it by tapping on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you wish to go back, tap on that one at the top right or left one. If you wish to use one-handed mode again, just tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!